All right, boys, XRP, let's go. This is the King K and helping you guys understand the King K method and what I look for when it comes to trading crypto, reading charts, getting the perfect entries, timing the perfect exits, not holding the bag too long, right? Now, XRP, we've had a substantial run up. Is it time to sell? Is it time to reposition? What are my thoughts? Let's go. So what I'm looking at here, guys, is the market cap on XRP, and I'm a strong believer in technical analysis. I'm a strong believer in liquidity, especially when it comes to liquidity sweeps, and this is exactly what we're seeing here now, right? I think we're exhausting and we're topping out an XRP for a little bit. I think we're gonna come back down to find an area of support before we make another leg push higher. We've had a crazy run all the way up for the past couple weeks. Just taking a quick look at the weekly chart for the past 3 weeks, we've just been going boom, boom, boom. This is a very strong pattern up. This is leaving displacement, the three white soldier pattern that everyone loves and talks about, right? Look it up, three white soldiers, right? Let's see how the weekly close, and it looks like it's closing pretty strong. Now, here's the thing. If the weekly candle closes above this purple line here, okay, this resistant line here, then I can expect further uptick, and you can hit that buy button, right? And this is not financial advice, by the way. You get that buy button and expect further uptick in XRP. The only thing I don't like seeing is if we close below this, because this is what we call the turtle soup. You know what I mean? You take that turtle, you flip it over, let it match underneath, and we got a turtle soup. It's not going well for anybody, especially the turtle. You know what I mean? So this is where we have a lot of retail coming in. This is where the friends start talking about it. Be like, yo, have you looked at XRP? It's fucking ripping up. Um, and this is where the retail come in and they unfortunately get caught hold of the bag sometimes. You know what I mean? Like at the end of the day, I feel like we could see some further uptick, but we got to play within what the charts are telling us. And I I rather die on a hill than to buy at these levels. You know what I mean? Uh, but a lot of people feeling the FOMO and they don't want to miss out. Hey guys, tuck that feeling in your gut because at the end of the day, all these charts work exactly the same, right? Like, let's take a look and see what we're looking at here. Okay, so if the weekly close is strong, then we can potentially look for a buy opportunity within the daily chart. But if the weekly close is like this, then we can hold for a retracement. So I'm gonna keep it short and sweet. We're gonna pull the fib out here, and we're gonna take a look and see what the buying opportunity would be in XRP. So this is the Fibonacci retracement. I like the 61865 golden ratio, but I like buying anything under the 50%. Under the 50% is where we want to get in. Now, um, this is a previous highs when it comes to market cap. Okay, this is where we're taking that level out. All right, so we're taking that level out here, and we're pretty much doing a liquidity grab, right? That's essentially what's happening in XRP here, boys. If I go to XRP USD, you probably want to know, okay, where can I get in? Where can I buy? Okay, we want to take a look at the Fibonacci, right? I like to do it from the leg, where the leg begins to the highs, to lows, okay? Anything within the discounted range is where you want to get in. Anything below the discount or the 50% is where we want to get in. There's a displacement right here in between. So these would be buying levels. Ideally, I like to buy off previous swing highs. Okay, this chart is pretty limited at what's offering me here on TradingView, XRP USD. Okay, but I like to buy within these levels. So 78 cents looks amazing, right? That would be ideal. If it doesn't come down that far, guys, I'd like to buy off the 618. Okay, but anything below the 50%, like if we're extremely bullish, right? I got the 50% mark there, right? So if we're extremely bullish, what we want to take a look at is on the daily chart, because I mind you, we swept liquidity at the top now. The daily is coming down at the moment. If the daily closes below yesterday's closing price, then we have a little bit of a bearish change in the market, meaning that sweep was a real sweep. It grabbed liquidity. It's going to come down. It's going to pick up the guys who are waiting to buy at the discount before it makes the next leg up. And that's what we're seeing right now. We're trading around $1.50. We could come down into retracement zones where we can pick it up at under the 50% retracement of that bullish leg up. I really, really think we are going to find a good buying opportunity under $5. Okay? $5 would be the ideal buying opportunity. And if I'm just looking at these areas, boys, I want to take a look at the displacement on the daily chart, okay, which is right here. So let's go. We have a daily fair value gap. This is where individuals will have their stop losses in place. So right here under the swing low, that's where usually we might see individuals who are trading XRP on a shorter time frame, who are holding the bag and hoping this runs higher. This is where the retail is going to be selling, either on this swing low on the 0.5, okay, or this down here. Okay, so anything in between. If you, I actually call this, I call this my buying zone. Okay, let me just write that out for you. So I call this my buying zone. Okay, this is where I'll be looking to pick up buys. Because if you want to buy up here, right, I don't recommend that. I recommend waiting to price retraces before we get in. Markets go up, market goes down. Yeah, you could FOMO, you could catch it, you could catch a winner, but at the end of the day, when I look at my technical analysis, I want to be buying at a discount. I don't want to be buying at a premium. You know what I mean? I rather I rather get something mid, take her to the gym, and then you buy it at a discount and then have like a premium 10 after the gym for a couple of years. You know what I'm saying, boys? So this is what we're looking at, right? So we want that retracement to come down. We want these lows to get swept, and then we want to buy within the 618 area, matching up with this buying zone opportunity that we have right here, okay? Short and sweet. Now, where can this continue running? We want to just pull back up the next chart, and we can take a look at these extensions. But let me see if I can pull that up. XRP. I think it's preventing me because I have my my trading thing up here. Let me just hit the enter button. It's gonna, yeah, there we go. So it's got me. Okay. All right. So I'll be looking for the next high level on this to get taken out, which will be up here. And this is where I'll be looking to sell. So keep an eye on the market cap, boys. Once we get up to that the $28 billion in market cap, that's the next level of where we would have liquidity resting above, which would be the next take profit zone at the all-time highs. Yes, things will break out, but the markets move in ways. It goes up and goes down, right? But there's a lot of areas where this can pull back into within the next few weeks before I would say Trump comes in, because that's where this is really moving. This is happening because of the election. So if we really think about it, right, these individuals who are holding XRP for a long time, they're being rewarded. They're being rewarded for being bag holders. Okay, they were buying and accumulating, going through the court appeal and all the court cases and all that good stuff all the way down here. So if someone was buying at these levels and now we're at this area, right? If they know anything about technical analysis and understand anything about the turtle soup, that they're up right now. They're up over 200%. So if someone has like 40K or like 100K or whatever that is next in XRP and they're up 200%, do you not think they're going to be taking some profits at these levels and probably repositioning as the price retraces? Hell yeah, that's probably what they're going to be doing. And that's what you guys should be doing too, okay? We want to sell into liquidity and we want to buy at a discount, okay? If you guys want to learn more about this, join the Discord. It's completely free. I go live 3 times a week. We have a ton of crypto stuff going on where all these price action, best buying opportunities. We're calling out levels way before anyone else was doing this stuff, right? So been around for a few cycles now. Feel free to reach out to us anytime. We're more than happy to help out. So XRP, easy, simple, and short, boys. It's looking bearish. It's looking like it trapped a lot of dudes over here. Like, look at this. See this volume, this high volume going up? All right, that's a lot of momentum. But then the next day, right, we swept that liquidity when it comes to the market cap. I wish I had the other chart up. I'll try to get that for you guys a later time. And now we're closing behind yesterday's lows. If you're looking at anything on the King K method, here we go. Look how bearish this looks here, boys. Here is the 5-minute chart. Okay. if we're looking at a daily 5 minute intraday, okay, what was this? This was last night, okay. Fair value gap. We have a break of a swing low. I know we're going a little bit over here. Break of a swing low here. Boom. Price comes down, retraces to the next support, which is the order block. Prints its own order block here. Comes back, retests, and we're breaking down. Okay. Draws across. See, we come back, and yes, we do. Boom. This is my entry. This is what I'm talking about, baby. Look at this. Right to my order block. This is where I'll be taking my entries. That's a top tick to a sell-off. Okay, now we're below the daily lows here, the daily highs, sorry. So we could have price either continue downwards, which we do have. If we look at a 15-minute chart, we have displacement to the downside. Okay, we're picking up some swing lows here, it's kind of stair-stepping up, but it's not. So this is still showing some bearish action. We could have price continue down to lower levels, and now we're kind of starting the uptrend. That's my dog in the background. He's telling me he needs to hang out. Thank you for sticking around, listening to one of my spiel here. You guys have a great day.